This is a continuation 2019 internal exam paper 1 mathematics. Question 11 reads, a diagram below shows the position of towns A, B and C on the Earth's surface, as you can see. So take note that these lines which lie like in a vertical way, they are called longitudes, and these ones which lie more like in a horizontal way, they are called latitudes. We already looked at the such examples on Earth geometry. This is Earth geometry. So question A, if it is 0820 at A, what time is it at C? So now you can see A is on this longitude, C is on that longitude. So look at this. A has a longitude of 20 degrees east, then C is on a longitude 95 degrees east, so now they want us to find if the time at A is 0820, A is here. If the time at A is 0820, remember these lines I'm from drawing, they are representing the longitudes. In simple terms, to simplify things, you can draw them like this. So now we need to find what we call the difference in degrees. So point A is on the eastern part, point C as well on the eastern part. So when they're on the same position, east, we subtract. So you do 95 minus 20. This is paper 1, no need of a calculator. So 5 minus 0, 5. 9 minus 2, that is 7. So the difference in degrees is 75 degrees. So now, since you want to find the time at at C, when time at A was 0820 hours, so we convert these degrees into hours. So 1 hour is equal to 15 degrees. What about 75 degrees? What will be the hours? We don't know. You cross multiply. X times 15, 15x. 1 times 75, 75. Make x the subject, over 15. Divide both sides, over 15. 15, 15 you cancel. X remains 15 into 75. So this is paper 1. So you can use a small number. 5 into 15, 3. 5 into 7, you have 1. Remainder 2. Put it here, it will be 25. 5 into 25, 5. So you have 15 over 3. So now 3 into 15, it is 5. So these are 5 hours. So 75 degrees represents 5 hours. Now they want us to find the time at C. So as you can see, we are going towards the east because the time at A was given. So when going towards the east, we need to add time because time will be gained. If we were going towards the west, time was going to be lost. We subtract. Now we're going towards the east, we need to add the 0820. So therefore 0820 plus the 5 hours. So hours under 5 hours. So it means here as place values, just put 0, 0. So 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 0, 2. 8 plus 5, that is 13. So the time at C was 1320 hours. Don't put these dots. In math, once you write like this as time, just know that it is wrong. This one, these are ratios, right? This is ratios now, so don't use these dots because they are representing ratios. So leave space to represent time. So just like this, it is okay. This is why in the question also, as you can see, they didn't put anything. This is what you're supposed to do. Question B reads, a plane flies from A to B at a speed of 400 knots. How long does the journey take if AB is equal to 4,800 nautical miles? So distance from A to B, A is like here on the latitude 60 degrees north, and B is here, which is on the 20 degrees south. Distance has been given already, which is 4,800 nautical miles. Speed also has been given. So in this case, no need to worry. You just have to know the formula for speed. So speed is equal to distance over time. So if you want to find speed, you divide distance over time. If you want to find distance, you multiply speed times time. If you want to find the time, you divide distance over speed. In this case, the speed, which was in knots, mind you, whenever they write knots, just know that this is the speed units when distance was in nautical miles. If distance was in kilometers, the speed was going to be 400 kilometers per hour, right? Now that it is in knots, just know that the distance was in nautical miles, right? So they want us to find the time. So you divide, time is here, so you do time is equal to distance over speed. So ask yourself, do you know distance? Yes, is 4,800. Do you know the speed? It is 400 knots. So now you need to reduce this. This is a paper one. So how do you do it? Mind you, how long it means time. If it was how far, it was going to mean distance. So a 0, this is paper 1, and this 0 cancel. This 0 and this 0 cancel. Which number can go into 4 and 48? 4 itself. 4 into 4, 1. 4 into 4, 1. 4 into 8, 2. So you only have a 12 remaining. So time was 12 hours. So the time taken is supposed to be 12 hours. This is what you're supposed to do.